In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get ChatGPT 4 Plus for free in 2025. Whether you're a seasoned AI enthusiast or just someone curious about the latest technology, this guide will walk you through each step to access this cutting-edge tool at no cost. Let's dive right in. First, access the ChatGPT website directly. You'll find yourself on a clean, inviting homepage designed to be user-friendly. Once you're there, direct your attention to the bottom left corner of the screen. This is where your profile icon resides. Clicking on this icon will open up a range of options related to your account. Among these options, you will see an upgrade plan option. Here, you can review different subscription choices that ChatGPT offers. However, don't worry about payment just yet, as we have a plan to navigate this step. Next, head over to cryoflow.store, an online platform that offers valuable resources and discounts on various services. Once on the site, locate the search bar, typically found at the upper area of the page. Input ChatGPT into this search field and hit enter. This search will narrow down your options and direct you where you need to go for coupons related to ChatGPT. As results populate, you'll notice a section highlighting available coupons. Take a moment to explore this area and then click on Coupons Available. Here, coupons are listed, offering various deals and freebies that can help you unlock ChatGPT 4 Plus without needing to pay the standard fees. Now, click on Show Coupon, which will present further instructions. You'll find yourself on a page that offers additional insights into the specific coupon details and terms. At this point, your next task is to click on Unlock Code. This is a key step in the process leading you closer to obtaining your free access. Before proceeding, you'll need to complete a CAPTCHA verification. This step ensures that only genuine users are accessing the coupons, so follow the instructions carefully to complete this part. After the CAPTCHA, there's one more hurdle. You'll need to complete 2 offers. Keep in mind that using a mobile device can simplify this process. Completing these brief tasks unlocks the promotional code you'll need for ChatGPT 4 Plus. Finally, with the offers complete, your coupon code will be unlocked and ready to use on your ChatGPT account. Head back to your ChatGPT profile, apply this code, and enjoy all the benefits of ChatGPT 4 Plus, now unlocked for you at no cost. Congratulations and happy exploring with your new AI tool.